welcome back to my channel. Just a quick one this week. I thought I would put together all of my 5-second intros, do a little bit of a skit for you all. I hope you enjoy it. We have been on holidays. Well, we were on holidays for about 5 hours and my middle boy broke his elbow, which we thought was going to need surgery, so we had to come back early and cut our trip short, but all in the life of boys, kids, etc. Are you sick of cleaning your windows and they end up looking like this? I am so excited, guys, like so excited. Oh, I'm just so excited. Go and clean your room now. Hey guys, stay tuned for my theatre room clean. There's no denying that the hinge hype here in Australia is huge. Stay tuned to see my hinge haul from here, Perth, Western Australia. I do not have a show home.
Oh my God.
I currently have stains on them from cordial, red cordial, on my white bench tops. Probably a good 12 weeks that I hadn't mopped my floors for. Damn! I mean, it's the only way to make cleaning seem fun, really. Then what you do is pull this part off and get dust all over yourself. The house is absolutely trashed, mess, absolute chaos. I should never be left alone in IKEA by myself. He's gonna kill me.
Please, sir, I want some more.
Maybe I'll get just one more.
Hold up.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed that and thought it was somewhat funny. Please hit the thumbs up and like and share and show some love. And bye!